Are you also struggling to find out a perfect gift for your perfect friend on this friendship day? Then this is a better idea to give someone something very sensible. This is a planter from Ugao. I recently got it from my friend and I was really amazed to see this. The product is really amazing. It's such a sensible and such a thoughtful gift, isn't it? To get such a beautiful planter for your house.
This planter can be opened within a week. So within a week time, you should try to open the box if it is gifted to you. The instructions are well written on the box itself, but to just revise, see there is a rubber band in the top which you need to remove, and then from the back and the top, just cut out the sellotape. By cutting the sellotape, you have to gently remove the lid, and after remove the lid, you have to be careful to make sure that you are holding the bottom of the jar, and then slowly, gradually, just remove the cover. And be gentle while removing it. So once it is removed, you will see the beautiful plant inside, and the plant is so beautifully packed. You just have to peel over the plastic which is on top of the plant, and once you remove the plastic, you need to be careful while cutting it, because you need to make sure that you do not accidentally cut the leaves or the root. You have to gently remove the cover, and once you remove the plastic around the plant, you can then just water it. You need to put a little amount of water and keep it in sunshine for 1 hour, and after an hour you can enjoy the fresh little planter inside your room. It is very beautiful. You can keep it either on your study table, work table, or in fact anywhere in the corner of your room or living room. It's very easy to order. So let's quickly go to their website and find out how you can order one for yourself. Their website is so well organized in structure. There is different categories, as you can see. There's a gifting category. You can go there, choose your plant, whatever you want to select. Just select the plant, order it, and it will be at your home within 3 to 4 days. It is, believe me, it is one of the best gifts you can ever give to your loved ones. The planter is so beautiful and so sensible. I actually loved it when I received it from my friend. You can see there are so many varieties and options of plant which you can keep indoor. I just received the peace lily, which you can get almost at $3.99. There are various options you can select of, and the prices are not high. I mean, the prices are very good, and the way it is being packed, it is being sold, it is one of the best of its kind. You get multiple options in their website. There is a vlog as well where you can read how to nurture a plant, how to do gardening, what seeds to pick. There is a different combination of seeds you will receive. You can order seeds also for vegetable, flowers which you can grow at your garden. Even for your balcony garden also, you can order some beautiful plants and floral plants. See, there is a packet of seed. So if you buy 4 packets of it, you'll get the 5th packet for free. Isn't that an amazing way to get healthy seeds for a healthy gardening idea? Thank you, Aishwarya, for gifting me this amazing plant. I will keep it safe with me, and this will always keep me reminding of you and our friendship and the time we spent together.
You can keep it indoor and also at your office desk, and always remember your friend who has actually gifted you. So please get the link of the product from my description box, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.